little video of a gorgeous Malinois, real pretty red guy, Cyrus, 3-year-old Malinois, and he's a good boy. Very friendly, very social. What we're going to show here is a complete bunch of strangers kind of come up and get over the top of him. You know, just walk everybody in here. And you can see he's a happy dog, he's a friendly dog, he's not a nervous or a fearful dog. Even the bad guy / helper can come up in here and pet him. And that's what's really important about this dog, is that he's controllable, he's got a lot of fun obedience, loves to retrieve and do all kinds of fun things. He's been around a lot of children, he travels great, crates well, and he's just an easy dog, but he does require management. This is a powerful dog, so if you don't have any experience with dogs, it's not necessarily the dog for you. It takes just about a millisecond for him to realize there's a bad guy coming in here acting all defensive, and the dog knows very quickly how to react to that. And the intensity and the power is there, there's no two ways about it. This guy can protect you from anybody. It doesn't matter how aggressive they get, he can equal that with power and intensity. Okay, so once again, a happy, confident dog with good drive, no mystery there. And he does know what the word out means. We gotta stand up.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy.
So there's no doubt about this dog, his ability to protect. He's got plenty. We don't practice a lot of protection with this Malinois. We don't need to. It's just not necessary. What we've done with him is concentrate on keeping him happy and social and friendly and safe, so that we have good obedience. He's not overreacting, but you can see he's wary. He's going to keep an eye on this guy and stuff, and he's got plenty in the tank. But he can go right back into obedience and be back to a social, happy, friendly dog. That is really the most important. Dog can't protect you if he can't go with you out into public. He can't go with you if he can't be obedient in the car. He can't go with you and protect you if he doesn't have social skills. So that's a little updated video of Cyrus.